Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube cooking channel, Spicy Food 6972. Today we made mutton nehari. You can see that this is the final dish that we made. It is a mutton plus mutton leg bone soup. And it's absolutely delicious. I highly recommend it to you guys. And we recommend that you eat this with naan, so this is the kind of thing you'll need. And you can see this one more time. To make this mutton nehari, you'll need 4 bay leaves, 2 cups of diced onion, 40 black peppers, 4 cinnamon sticks, 20 long cloves, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of culmin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 black cardamon, 10 white cardamons, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of chana flour, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, cooking oil, salt for taste, and 2 kilograms of mutton with mostly bones from leg. You can see this is what our mutton looks like. It has leg bones.
So meat.
You'll also need half a cup of dried onions. We are going to start by pouring half a cup of oil into our pressure cooker and turning up the heat to high. We are going to put in our black pepper, our long cloves, and our cinnamon sticks, our black and white cardamoms, and our bay leaves. We are also going to put in our onions, diced onions.
Nice.
Now that it has been simmering for a while, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of salt, our garlic and ginger paste, and continue stirring it. And now that it has been 2 minutes since we have been roasting our ginger and garlic paste, we are going to put in our meat. So we put in all our meat now, and we're gonna let it roast with the rest of our masala, and we're gonna mix it up first. So it has been 5 minutes since we have been roasting our mutton, and in a separate container we're going to put in our chana dal Beshan flour and our all-purpose flour and roast it. 5 minutes later, we're done roasting both of our flours, and we're still roasting our meat. So now it has been a total of 10 minutes more, and you can see that the onion,
20 minutes.
yeah, altogether 20 minutes. We're roasting the meat, and you can see that the onion has melted and the water from the meat has come out and evaporated, so everything has melted. Now we're going to add our turmeric and a red chili powder. You need to add it right now and not before or after, because if you do it before, the chili powder will stick to the bottom of the pressure cooker and you won't be able to use the ingredient very well. And we're going to add 4 cups of water to our nehari.
6 cup.
6 cups. The water in our pressure cooker has come to a boil, and so we're going to put our nihari with a lid on in our pressure cooker for 20 minutes.
And medium heat.
On medium heat.
Low heat.
Medium-low heat. On a separate pan, we're going to put on some cooking oil and put the heat up so that we can fry our dried onions. We have been frying our dried onions for 2 minutes now.
It's done now.
It's done at this brown color, and we're going to take it off our frying pan and put it back into the original container. With our 2 flours, we're going to create a batter by adding water. About 1 cup of water. It has been 20 minutes since we put our meat fully on the pressure cooker, and now we're going to cool it down by putting our pressure cooker on the sink. Now let's see what happened to our mutton nehari.
Mutton Nehari.
So this is what it looks like, but as you can see, the baya of the mutton has not melted. So we are going to put the pressure cooker lid back on and let it cook for another 20 minutes. We have been cooking our mutton nehari in our pressure cooker for a total of 1 hour, and now the meat and the bone has melted to softness. You can see this. And now we're going to put in our flour and Beshan flour batter into our mutton. Now that it has been a minute further, we are going to add our coriander powder, our culmin powder, and our garam masala powder. The garam masala powder, you can add nihari seasoning or any other seasoning that you may have for your nihari. It's up to you. Now it's been a minute further, and we're going to add our dried onions into our mutton nehari. For a nice aroma, we're going to put our pressure cooker lid on for 5 more minutes and cook it on medium-low heat. And this is without any pressure, it's just a lid. This is 5 minutes later with the heat off, and you can see our mutton nehari is done. So you can see that we have put our mutton nehari in a bowl. And this is the final finished dish. Please like, follow, subscribe, and comment in our video. If you like this recipe, please let us know. And of course, enjoy this delicious dish.
And you can eat with this naan.
You can eat with this naan bread. And yeah, this is the preferred way to eat it.